Together we ride on this winding road. So join us, folks, on this journey of ours, of love and laughter. We'll reach for the stars. In our truck, with our dogs, we're making our way. Come along for the ride, it's a brand new day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Monday at 6:36 a.m. We are in just outside of Buffalo, New York. We haven't filmed in a while. Been a little bit of time. Pup wants to say hi because it's been so long and hasn't been able to say hi. So appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is move the growth of this channel without your help. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share us out with all your friends. Sorry, I got distracted by another large car. We are in Buffalo, New York, like I said. We haven't filmed in a little bit because our laptop is on the fritz. Our cooling fan for one of our graphics cards has finally went. It's an old laptop. I have a brand new one sitting at the house waiting. We just got to get back to the house to get it. So, excuse you. Do you mind, sir? Back up, buddy. So we gotta get to the house to get to the lap, so you might miss a week of video. You have a video for this one, and then you'll have this one, and this will explain why we had a delay. We want to get 2 videos done, maybe 3 videos done, so that way when we do go home, my wife and I can work on editing them, and then we'll be a little bit ahead, so we won't have to worry about this anymore. But we'll have that new laptop. I'm going to take the old one to a shop to get it fixed, hopefully. And then we'll have a backup. The old laptop will become the backup. So, anyways, we're at the Loves here just before the toll road on 90. And we're fixing to go pick up this load. Try to get loaded a little bit early. And, yeah, that's what we're going to do. I believe that truck behind the camera, you can't see it right now, but it's another 120 just like mine. I believe they work for the same owner that I do at Panther. So, that's kind of cool. Anyways, we are here. Let's go get this load and get this day started. The most recent video that you've seen where we missed a week, this is the same location that we picked up at. You can probably see me back in at. So let's see if we can do a better job of backing this morning than we did that morning. So, thank y'all. We'll see you here in a little bit. We'll get this day started. It's still dark out, so there's not much road footage to see, but I will, I guess, film us leaving. All right, y'all. Well, as you see, we're at the shipper waiting to get loaded. They told us to get on a door, and they're gonna load us. So they just got to fill out the paperwork, do all that side of things, and when they're done with that, they'll load us and we'll get out of here. So hopefully that backup video looks pretty cool. There's an angle that I haven't seen people use yet, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And this dot kind of throws me off a little bit because the line to line up at the door is only on one side, and it doesn't line up with the yellow lines that would be on the pads, right? So it's lined up at the edge of the door. So when you actually back up properly and you're lined up with the yellow marks on the pads or with the dock plate, you're probably about 6 to 8 inches off the line. So it kind of threw me off a little bit on that back that you'll see. I forgot about that. I've only been here one other time and I done forgot about that. That little idea. If I would have paid more attention to that last time I was here, I would have known to line up with the door and not the line. I was trying to line up with the line until I realized that it was off quite a bit. So anyways, we're here, we're getting loaded, and I'll let you know when we're done. Alright, we're loaded. We got 27 skids, 21,126 in pounds, so 21,126 pounds. No temperature, it's a dry freight load. We are, so it doesn't beep 1,000,001 times. We are about 700 miles away. There's two ways we could take. There's a back road way we could take, and there's a highway way. I think I'm gonna take the back way this time. I took the highway last time. It was alright. Want something different, different scenery, so let's go hit the road and run some back roads today.
Are you a part of an established team, or are you and your partner looking to explore a new side of the industry? Has your partner recently obtained their CDL and is ready to join you on the road? These are the questions to discuss with our friends at Hyfield.
Hyfield is a leading fleet owner in the expedited industry. They offer modern trucks, spacious sleepers to keep you comfortable out there on your journey. The dedicated recruiting team is available to help you explore your options and answer any questions you may have.
Ready to see if Hyfield is the right fit for you and your partner? Give them a call at 833-HIFIELD or 833-493-4353 option 1 for recruiting to find out how they can assist you. You can also reach out online at www.hyfieldtrucking.com.
And don't forget to let them know that J Squared Expedited sent you. And now, let's get back to this week's episode.
Preacher man's a coming, gotta get my soul clean. The preacher man's a coming, gotta get my soul clean. Gonna head down to that river, gonna jump right in that stream. The preacher man.
So, as we drive through these little towns and back roads here, right now we're driving through a little ski town in western New York, I guess, it'd be considered. And as you see up in front of us here, I'm trying to break up this road footage a little bit so it's just not like 40 minutes of road footage. But I enjoy driving down these back roads and through these little towns and stuff like that. I really do. I prefer it over being on the interstate. Yeah, you have to travel a little slower and stuff like that, but it's where I grew up, is in these back roads. So it's no big deal to me to run narrow back roads or tight back roads, but I do hear a lot of people saying that they'd rather run interstates and stuff like that, but then you don't get to see this cool stuff through here, you know what I mean? Like all these little shops and towns and buildings and stuff. It's pretty neat, and you don't get to experience that if you always stay on the interstate.
Coming, gotta wash away my sins. The preacher man's coming, gotta wash away my sins. With a swim in that old river, I'm coming up clean again. Oh, preacher man's coming, gotta lose my wicked ways. The preacher man's coming, gotta lose my wicked ways. Got about 2 more weeks, maybe about 3 more days.
Good morning. I didn't record nothing else yesterday, and neither did someone sitting next to me. Very rude like. Didn't even want to talk to y'all. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. We got to deliver at 7. We are 17 miles away. We're going to roll in there about 7:30ish.
No, 6:30.
Or yeah, 6:30ish. Sorry, my bad. Kick this load off, and then hopefully they figure something else out.
We might just come back here.
Yeah, probably.
They don't have nothing for us. If it's free.
Yeah, I don't know if it's free to park or not. I have to find out. Probably be a sign on the door. But anyways, we're going to get over here to this delivery, kick this off, and figure out where we go next. Sorry, the dogs are distracting sometimes. So, let's get to boogieing.
Preacher man's arriving, gotta keep my temper in check. Yeah, the preacher man's arriving, gotta keep my temper in check. Gonna look into that mirror and see a good man looking back. Oh, the preacher man's calling, gotta hear what I should.
Alright, y'all. As you see, we're headed out of that place. We are signed, sealed, and delivered. It's theirs. I'll do it for her because she doesn't want to participate today.
He is in his VPs.
Anyways, we're on our way back to this little tiny truck stop we find. Looks like it's a pretty decent little place. We're going to head over there and shut it down for a little bit, see when we get out of here. And we'll catch you on the next load. So, appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, shit, the preacher man's calling, gotta hear what I should. 'Cause once he's round the bends, I'm back to my wicked ways for good. Yeah, the preacher man's calling.
Good afternoon. Yes, sir. He wants to say good afternoon, too. We just got a load offer. We are over here in North Carolina still. Oh, careful, careful. Did the itching feel so good you almost fell over? We're over here in North Carolina, and we've got a deadhead. Let me get this number correct. We are deadheading. If I had my phone, maybe my phone die? No, it can't die. Anyways, we're deadheading over 1,000 miles. We're deadheading over 1,000 miles to Memphis, Tennessee. There we go. I can see on my phone. I had my brightness turned down because I was in a sleeper laying down. No sense of being up and at 'em amp if we ain't going nowhere. So sorry, no, we're not deadheading 1,000 miles. We're deadheading 775 miles. Correction, 775 to pick up a load in Memphis, Tennessee from where we're at. Going 339 miles loaded. So we're over here in North Carolina. We're going to fire the truck up and head over there. And we're not going to knock all that deadhead out today, because by the time we got close enough, it'd be 11 p.m. and there's no parking over that way. So we're going to get a little closer, knock a few hundred miles off. Maybe try to get the other side of Memphis, or not Memphis, Nashville, something like that, and call it quits over there. At least somewhere around that area, maybe. We'll be on 40 all the way across. I know we got to go through the gorge, and the gorge is kind of still screwed up for the most part. So, but I ain't been through there in a minute, since they've been working on it more. Last time I was through there, they were working on it, but it wasn't nowhere near complete or done. So I guess we'll get a view of that and see what it looks like over there. And, well, we just riding around with the windows down, looking at the scenery. We are on I-40, right before the Tennessee line, and everything came to a complete utter stop. 11 miles from the Tennessee line, and we all come to a stop here. What's crazy is this damn prime truck right here was awful in a damn hurry to jump in front of me, but yet now he is interested in slow rolling. He can't climb a hill. Bye-bye. Anyways, we've been sitting here for about 20-25 minutes waiting for this traffic to figure itself out. We got through one little traffic jam. We're going to hit another one here in probably about 2 miles. But this is just the joy of going through here, I guess, nowadays. I don't know. I don't know what it's for. I don't know why it's for. I'm assuming some sort of construction. I know someone said that you lose a lane somewhere, and then I heard somebody say somebody ran out of fuel. And
I think there was also, there might have been a wreck earlier that shut down all this.
yeah, I don't know. There's a bunch of mess, a bunch of nonsense. I'm gonna go around a few people that are. I'm not going to race down through here per se, but I am going to get around a few people that are just, I understand going slow because we're going to hit another backup, but running 40 mile an hour is a little much, in my opinion. Anyways, we got some good scenery at least. We were sitting next to the lake. We were sitting next to the river. down by the river. And here's the other backup. You can see it going around. I don't know if you'd be able to see with the camera, but you can see it going around the corner down there. Look.
Man, amazing. We made it so far.
We made it like what, a mile and a half?
Yeah. We made it around the rest area.
Yeah, we're past the rest area now.
We're not racing.
Everybody rev your engines. Anyways, I just thought I'd jump on here and let you know what we're dealing with. As you can see, we stuck in traffic. I don't know if we'll be able to, no, I don't think the camera could see the distance. So we're starting to slow move again. So anyways, I'm no hurry. We ain't got no place to be till tomorrow afternoon. So as long as we make it out of here by then, we're doing all right. Hop off here and continue fighting this traffic. Good morning. Yeah, I don't think I talked to you this morning. So we spent the night last night at a pull-off on 40 after we got off after that traffic BS. Decided to shut it down early. And then we came here to the Loves at the 126 off of 40. And we came here to get fuel, start the reefer unit, let it warm up, and kill about 30 minutes to an hour because we can't pick up. Well, we got to pick up at 11, I think. Let me check that again. I thought it was 1 o'clock, but it'll be noon our time. Yeah, it's 1 o'clock, so that'd be noon our time. Right now, it's got us there at 10:50. Figure if I pull in there right about 11 or so, we'll figure something out. Probably have to sit through their lunch, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, we're picking a load up in Memphis and bringing it to Arkansas for tomorrow, I think. Yeah, tomorrow. So, let's get this day started. I didn't film much this morning because it was dark out. That little pup there needs to go back there. He needs food. But he thinks he needs to be up here in the camera. Anyways, we'll get this day started and we'll kick this off, and hopefully that UPS truck is not broke down in the entrance to the truck stop on the way up, because it makes it a pain in the ass. So, let's go. Alright, y'all, we are loaded. We have 17 skids, 25,000 pounds, 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Temperatures are set. Load is secure. Bills match. We are on our way to Arkansas. Anyways, yeah, let me figure this out and then we'll get on the road. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Oh. Thought I had to change the batteries in this camera, but I guess I don't. Huh. Photo. Use some of my gun. We gotta drop this off at our delivery at 11:30. We're about a little over an hour away. So once I do my pre-trip, we'll get out of here and head there. Once we drop that off, we turn around and deadhead all the way back to Memphis to pick up another one going to Ohio. But you probably won't see that one. That'll probably be not filmed because there's 2 loads on this one already. So it is 69 degrees and sunny, which is fantastic. What's the temperature in Ohio? Hey Siri, what's the temperature in Ohio? 61 degrees in Ohio. Nice. What are they calling for? 78 today, 59 tomorrow, 46 Saturday. Shenanigans. You ever be one of those people like you plan home time, it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, but then it rains the whole time you're home? Or you go to an area and it's nice the day before you get there, but as soon as you roll in, it like tanks and goes to shit. That's my life. Seems like the past little bit here. It's okay though. Got another big sleeper over there. He is pulling a dry van, old school style aluminum ribbed side trailer. So very nice looking little Western Star he's got over there. We are out of here. We are done. We are unloaded. We got into this tight location, and now we're going to try to get out of this tight location without hitting this truck next to us to see if we can accomplish those tasks. I don't know if we'll be able to do it. Can you watch that trailer, please? Not without hitting that curb. Back up just a little bit. Let me know if we're going to hit that person there. I'm going to have to back in and do something different.
Keep coming. Keep going.
You going to spin out around them?
Yeah, you should be able to. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, you got like 2 feet. Go.
Alright. We spun this big hotel out. That was a tight location. There's not much room here. They got a big old ditch thingy that's for water, and we're daydreaming about the four-wheelers across the road and pontoon boats and all this cool stuff over there. But we are signed, sealed, and delivered.
It's theirs.
About
daydreaming.
time. Jeez
I'm daydreaming,
Louise. Yeah, we got Scoots at the house waiting for us. Y'all see that video too. Anyways, we are out of here. This load is done. We are on our way back to Memphis. I don't know what time we'll be there, but we'll be there at some point. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another.
And live to expedite another day.
We're out, y'all.